You're watching Dancehall and News TV. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be notified when new videos are uploaded. Shenseea is a lovely and talented dancehall artist who has grown over the years. Check out her IG page. She's very talented and listen to some of her freestyle. I found this article on her and I will read it to you. Here goes. Shenseea says she'll be giving back to the less fortunate this Christmas season as she reflects of growing up poor. According to the dancehall singer, she'll be giving away clothing to the needy this holiday. Shenseea, real name Shenseea, made the announcement on Monday as she recounted the hardship she faced as a child. I remember when my mom worked with a lot of wealthy people and she used to bring a big garbage bag once in a while filled with clothes for me, Shenseea said. I never understood why would she even bring them for me when I'm not even fancy about clothing and brands and stuff, but maybe she was and she couldn't afford them, so she found a way to make me look how she wanted me to look without stealing. We all need help in this world and it's never a bad thing to accept it no matter how big you are. I am now in a position where I can give back little by little without a boastful attitude. Unity is always best than trying to stand alone. Only fools think that they can take over the world by themselves. Put away the pride and show the world a better you, she added. And that is the latest news on Shenseea. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. So on to the next video. He who trusts in vanity has no love for humanity shall fade away. Respect to Ninja Man. I'm out.
Where I say now? For real? How the song go? Chips. Yeah. Oh. Daddy, I call you.
You know what's my follow you, Shenseea?
For real? I follow you,
go on your Instagram page, type in every comment and say the picture them needs.
Oh, thank you.
I'm going to comment for other one.
Alright. But just put up one, so make sure you see it.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Alright. Gone to Daddy now.
You're funny, the bomb class I got. You're funny, bomb class I got left Charlie boy. Charlie, I don't know that.
Big up all Team Shenseea supporters, you know?